Guys, it's often said that arrow indicators are used only by beginner traders who lack the intelligence to analyze the market and determine which direction the price will move, up or down. And beginner traders want the arrow indicator to show them the trading direction, so they can make trades and earn money. Well, that's certainly really dumb, but you shouldn't think so straightforwardly. An arrow indicator can be a great addition to any trading strategy. Or the signal from the arrow indicator can become the main one in the trading system, while all other technical indicators simply filter out the noise signals. And the topic of this little video is the arrow technical indicator, which excellently shows the future direction of price movement. Guys, just look at how cool the signals from this arrow indicator are. After each signal appears, almost every time, we have a large margin of movement in that direction. Here's a sell trade. The price continues to go down for quite a while. A buy trade, the price goes up for a long time. Some signals, of course, end up going nowhere and the price immediately reverses. But after the reversal, we have a large wave of movement in the direction indicated by the arrow. And so it is with almost every signal. Now just think, what if we added additional technical indicators to this indicator, which would filter out false signals or confirm these indicator signals? Then your new strategy, which you create using this arrow indicator, would be just super profitable. Guys, below the video is a link to download this indicator. Download it for free, use it, and earn money.